Okay, we are going to read America's Sproutings again. And this time we're going to stop and answer questions. So make sure that you have your paper that looks like this, America's Sproutings. Make sure you have it handy. There is a front and a back. So it looks like there's only 5 questions, but really there's one more that you have to do on the back. So have that ready, get your pencil out, make sure you're ready to go. And let's read this one more time and we'll stop and answer questions. Here we go. America's Sproutings by Pat Mora. Papaya, chewing your perfume, we taste your leafy jungle. Yum, juicy tropics. So before we move on, we're going to make some inferences. So look at question number 1 on your paper. Based on the poem, where do you think papayas grow? Now, an inference, remember, is information from the text plus your background knowledge, what you already know. You're going to make a really good guess or an inference about what you think the author is trying to tell us. So, based on the poem, where do you think papayas grow? Remember, your answer needs to be a complete sentence. So you'll start it out with, I think papayas grow. Tell me where you think they grow. Explain it. Why do you think that's where they grow? Pause the video. Answer question number 1. Okay, question number 2. Describe. Name 2 characteristics of papayas based on words in the poem. So you can look at the poem again. You're going to name 2 characteristics of papayas, 2 adjectives that describe papayas. Name 2 adjectives. Pause the video, answer question number 2. Okay, moving on. Let's read this one. Potato, underground magic, peel brown bundle, mash, pile high, salt and pepper clouds. So over here it says make inferences. So you're going to get ready to pause the video. Let me explain. Why are potatoes underground magic? And you'll notice that's in quotations. Why are potatoes underground magic? Make an inference. Look at the picture. Use the text. What do you know about potatoes? Why would they say underground magic? Pause the video and answer the questions. Okay, the next question will be number 4 on your paper. It's going to be about the details. List 2 facts about potatoes that you learned by reading the information on page 169. And I skipped that, so let me read this for you. More about potatoes. Be listening so you can answer the question number 4, okay? Potatoes are native to the Andes Mountains of South America. There's one fact. Potatoes are the world's 6th largest crop after sugarcane, corn, rice, wheat, and cow's milk. There's 2 facts. Here comes your 3rd one. In 1995, potatoes became the first vegetable grown in outer space. So I want you to write down 2 facts about potatoes that you learned. Pause the video, rewind it if you need to, and answer the question. Okay, this haiku is called Corn. Leaves sprout silk snug house. Smell grits, tortillas, cornbread. Pass the butter, please. More about corn. In the 1600s, Native Americans made hills of soil where they planted corn seeds. Pueblo Indians of the southwestern United States planted corn of various colors, including blue corn. Today, the starch from corn is used to make things like crayons and chalk. So, you're going to get ready to pause the video again. I want you to answer question number 5 on your paper. What words help you see, smell, and feel things in this poem? What words help you to see, smell, and feel things in this poem? So you might start the answer out to this question by restating the small part. Words that help me see in this poem are, words that help me smell are, words that help me feel are, and then you can fill out the rest of it, okay? Pause the video, answer that question. Okay, now I want you to answer this question. It's about the details. Name 2 things produced from corn that are not food. And it's somewhere over here in this little text feature of a caption right here. Name 2 things produced from corn that are not food. Pause the video. Answer that question. Okay, now that you've done that, you can see, oh, I told you there was only 1 question on the back. There's 2. You're going to compare. I want you to use a Venn diagram, and there's not one on your page, but you're going to draw one, right? A circle with another circle, and they overlap in the middle. Use the Venn diagram to compare a story and a haiku poem. How is a story and a haiku poem the same, and how are they different? So it's going to be something that looks kind of like this on this page. Here's an example. Here's their Venn diagram. They wrote what a story is, what a haiku is. What they both have will go in the middle. So I want you to do your own on your paper that looks like this.